As you can see that I am trying to start my Apache server using the XAMPP control panel version 3.3.0. So you'll see that there's an error. The Apache server does not start. So it's attempting to start Apache app. How do you pronounce that? Apache or Apache? Apache. I don't know, but let's go with Apache. It's taking so much of time right now. Attempting to start Apache app. 2 of them are running. Seriously? Let me just close this one. Quit. There's also another one running over here. Yeah, haha. Anyways, so as you can see that I'm trying to start this over here. It's not running. So attempting to start Apache app, status change detected running, status change detected stopped, Apache stopped unexpectedly. This may be due to a block port, missing dependencies, improper privileges, a crash or a shutdown by another method. Press the log button to view error logs and check the Windows Event Viewer for more clues. If you need more help, copy and paste this entire log window on the forums. As you can see that I'm trying to start the Apache web server on the XAMPP control panel version 3.3.0, but it is not starting. But if I start the MySQL module or server, what you want to call it, then that will start. You will see that the PID and the port, it is now up and running. So but the problem is with the Apache. Let me know how you pronounce that. I'm not from an English speaking country, so I'll have problems with pronunciation. So anyways, that is not the thing. So right now I will try to run this Apache web server. So how am I going to do that? Google it. So as you can see that I have opened up the Google web page, and I have just typed in something, Apache XAMPP Apache shutdown unexpectedly, and you can just go over here and just type Google, and you can just type XAMPP, and you can see all the different problems associated with XAMPP. They have problems associated with MySQL shutdown unexpectedly, Apache not starting, the PHP admin, MySQL. You can see a lot of queries are being made each and every day for all these kind of problems. So our problem is with the Apache server. So we are going to type Apache, XAMPP Apache. So you can see there are so many queries related to Apache. XAMPP Apache shutdown unexpectedly. This is what I used right now. XAMPP Apache not starting, XAMPP Apache, XAMPP Apache app, XAMPP Apache not starting, Windows 10 and download not starting with Ubuntu, port change not starting, blah 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 blah. There's so many things. XAMPP APK for Android. But our problem is with Apache shutdown unexpectedly. As you can see over here, Apache shutdown unexpectedly, the error. So I'm going to use that, Apache shutdown unexpectedly. So I just typed in that over here, and you can see there are many videos based on this query and this problem. So obviously you can watch these videos, or I can watch these videos, but it is going to be a time-taking process. In fact, you have to watch the entire video, right? So before watching the entire video to solve the problem, you can just read, because some websites which are trying to solve the problem, because reading is faster than watching a video. You have to watch the entire video. You don't know what is where in the video, but while you are reading, you can just scan through and figure out where are the things. So I think I should try to read and find out the solution of the problem rather than watching a video. Watching videos will be the next step, obviously, if we don't solve it. So let me just read the first link. This is from the Stack Overflow website. XAMPP Apache error, Apache shutdown unexpectedly. As you can see, this is the same thing that is written over here on our exam control panel. This is the same thing that has been written over here. So let's hope that this solves the problem. So what are they saying? I started having this problem after installing a new version of XAMPP. I thought the problem was about ports, since almost every post talks about them, but it wasn't. When I checked the error log, I saw PHP warning VC runtime 1.140.dll. 4.0 is not compatible with PHP build. 14.0 VC, what is it? I saw PHP warning VC runtime 140.dll. 14.0 is not compatible with this PHP build, which led me to the answer. Installing the required redistributable solved the problem. So what did he do? He just checked the error log. So where can I see the error log? There are other answers. So let me just go over and check the error log. Where is the error log? Press the log button to view error logs and check the Windows event viewer for more clues. Press the logs button to view error logs and check the Windows event viewer for more clues. If you need more help, copy and post this entire log window on the forum. So logs, let me just check the logs. Apache error log. Oh, that is saying error logs, right? Apache error logs. So let me just check the recent one. August 4th. Configuration failed exiting. Example, server certificate does not include an ID which matches the server name. The server certificate does not include an ID which matches the server name. Oh my god. Yeah. The same thing over here it is written. VC runtime 140.dll 14.0 is not compatible with the PHP build linked with 14.29 is unknown on line 0. Yeah, we just read that, right? VC runtime.dll is not compatible for what? VC runtime 140.dll is not compatible. So what did he do? Is not compatible, which led me to the answer. Installing the required redistributable solved the problem. So let me just check over here. So the required is not compatible. Yeah, VC runtime 140.dll 14.0 not compatible with PHP build. I downloaded PHP 7.4.1 NTC VC 15XD x86 on a Windows Server 2016 machine. I also downloaded installed VC redist.x86.exe. When I try and run PHP CGI from the command prompt, I get the following error. Any ideas? Turns out PHP 7.4x requires Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2019, which can be downloaded here under the heading other tools, whatever. This also broke my coworker's Laragon after C update to 7.4. Thanks for sharing. I also had the same problem after I downloaded the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++. I successfully solved the problem. You can download it here. Okay, so let me just check that out, because what is the version of Microsoft Visual C++ that I have on my system. And in order to do that, I'll go over to control panel and install a program, Microsoft C++ 2015-2019 redistributable. 2015-2019 redistributable. But let me just I don't know, it is written over there that it is 2015-2019 redistributable. So let's just install the updated version, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2019. Let's just download this one and install this, and let's check if this solves the problem or not. It is a quick download, right? Let's just open up the folder. Let's just install it. And as you can see over here that Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 2019 redistributable for x64 and x86 is already installed. But what is this new version? Let us just check that out. Let us just install that and let's see if it solves the problem or not. This is 2015 2019, right? It is already installed over here. And what is the version of that? 14.28. This is 14.29. This is 14.28.29.334.0. This is the version 14.293 14.29.30040. So this is a different version. And what is written over here, this runtime 14.0 is not compatible with the PHP build linked with 14.29 is unknown. So 14.29 is unknown. The PHP, okay, so what is it? 14.28. This is 14.28 and this is 14.29, a different version definitely. And this is also written over here that vc runtime 140.dll 14.0 is not compatible with this PHP build linked with 14.29. so definitely there's something is 14 point something is with 14.29. so let's just install this and hope that this solves the problem. Let's just check that out. It is installing right now. It is installing, but it's taking some time. Why it's taking some time, I don't know. It should initialized Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 x64 minimum runtime 14.29.30040 processing. I guess I have to restart the computer. Should I restart the computer? I don't think so. Restart is required. So let's just restart Apache. I'm just closing it from over here, closing this log over here, and closing this Apache from over there here. What do you call this? This is the tool. This is the, what do you call this? Let me just check the, what do you call this? This is notification area icons. So let me just quit this from over here, and then let's restart XAMPP control panel. How do you even pronounce XAMPP? XAMPP or XAMPP or XAMPP? How do you say that? Let me know how do you say that. And let me also know how do you pronounce Apache. Let me just start. Up and running Apache web server. The PID 3624.1104 PID is the ports at TN443. The Apache is up and running. Yay! So let me just check the logs. Apache error log. There are no errors. What is the timing? 6:10. It's 6:11 a.m. right now. 6:11 a.m. Configuration failed. Child process. Starting 150 worker threads. Anyways, no new warning has been issued. You can understand this whole error log some later point of time, but our problem is solved, and now we don't need to worry about that. We just need to focus on writing PHP codes. That's all. So Apache web server is running. And how do you access this Apache web server on the browser? You have to type in the local IP address, I guess. So I guess it is 128.1.168.11, I guess 128.168.1.1. Really? Okay, we should see that Apache web server. And back in the days, I used to run two PHP servers, one using Apache and the other one I forgot what I used to, but that was something different. That was something from Red. That was from something from Microsoft, I guess. I don't remember. I can't recall that. But I used to run two web servers, and I used to switch different ports, and I used to use different ports for that. I forgot. Obviously, it has been a long time. I forgot about that, but we'll see what is out there. So we can't access the web server right now, but the end of the video will be by accessing the web server. So how do we do that? How do we do that? Access. use Google, access Apache, access XAMPP, PHP my admin. Yeah, PHP my admin. So we're going to type localhost. See man, it has been a long time, 6 years, I don't remember exactly, but it has been a long time, so I forgot all of these things. Localhost 127.0.01. Let me just type it, 127.0.0.1. Boom, there we go. Access the Apache web server, XAMPP, Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl, and you can do so much of things. So let's just focus on the programming right now, and that's it for the video. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you don't like, give it a thumbs down. Do whatever you want to do. Bye.